Good morning, students. Yesterday I teach you about regrouping. Today I will teach you how we can add any number with regrouping. Okay? So suppose any two numbers are there, 37 and 45. Okay? So we have to add these two numbers. Okay? So while adding, we'll always start from ones place value. Okay, so this one is ones, this one is tens, so we'll start from ones place value. So 7 plus 5, it will be how much? After 7, just count 5 numbers: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? So what we get? 12. So 2 will write here. Okay, see, 12 is this one, right? So we'll write 2 here. Okay, because we can place only one number in ones place. Okay, ones is what the single digit. We can't place 1, 2, that is 12 in ones place. Okay, so in the regrouping, what we will do, we'll put 2 in the ones place and we'll give this one to tens place. Have you understood? So now in tens place 3 numbers are there, 1, 3 and 4. So first of all we'll add these two. So 1 plus 3, it will be how much? 4. 4 plus 4, 8, right? So our number will be what? 82. Okay, one more question we will do. Suppose 23 and 19, we have to add these two. Okay, so we'll start from ones place value. So 3 plus 9, it will be how much? 1, 2, 3. 3 is there and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total how many lines are there? 12, right? So now what we will do, we'll write the last digit 2 in ones place and we'll move this one to tens place. Okay, now in tens place 3 numbers are there, 1, 2 and 1. So first of all we'll add these two. So 1 plus 2, it will be how much? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So our number will be what? 42. Okay, so I hope you have understood how we can regroup this number. Okay, while adding. Okay, now my dear students, open page 164. Some questions are given in exercise 3. So now we'll do this one. So the first one is what? Add the following. We have to add this number. Okay, we have to apply regrouping. So first of all we'll start from ones place value. So 6 plus 7, it will be how much? Tell me. $13, right? So we'll write 3 here and we'll place this one here in the tens place, right? So now 1 plus 3, it will be how much? 4. 4 plus 4, it will be 8, right? So our number will be what? 83. Okay, let's do the next one, B part. Okay, so now see, 9 plus 3, it will be how much? 9 plus 3, it will be 12, right? So now we'll write these two here and we'll give this one to the tens place. Right? So now see the tens place value. So 1 plus 5, it will be how much? 6. 6 plus 2? 8. So we'll write 8 here. Okay. Now see the C part. 6 plus 6. It will be how much? 12. Right. So the 12 will write 2 in the ones place. Last digit will write here. Okay. And the digit which is placed before the last one, will place it in the tens place. So now 3 numbers are there. 1, 4, 4. So 1 plus 4, it will be how much? 5. 5 plus 9. Sorry, 5 plus 4. It will be 9. Right? So we'll write 9 here. Okay. Now see D part. So 9 plus 6, it will be how much? 15. Right? So we'll write 5 here and we'll give 1 to the tens place. Now in tens place, 3 numbers are there. 1, 1, 5. So we'll add these two first. 1 plus 1, it will be how much? 2. 2 plus 5, it will be 7. Right? So like this only you have to do. You have to add these numbers. Okay. So now E, F, G, H. These 4 questions you will do in your classwork copy. Okay. And you have to do this one by yourself. Okay. Okay. Now see the second question. So what problems are given? First one is what? In a class there are 35 boys and 15 girls. So how many children are there in the class? So in the class, number of boys that are present? 35. Right? And number of girls is what? 15. So total number of children will be what? What we have to do here? It is asking about the total number. So whenever in the question it asks about the total number, we'll do always addition. Okay. So how we can find these two? How we can find the total number of the students? By doing addition. Okay. We'll add these two numbers. Okay, so now let's find out the answer. Okay, so there are 35 boys and 15 girls. Now we'll find out the total number of students, or I can say childrens. So we'll start from ones place value. So 5 plus 5, it will be how much? 10, right? So we'll write the last digit here and this one we will place it here. Okay. So now we'll add these two first. So 1 plus 3, it will be how much? 4. 4 plus 1? 5. So total how many children are there? Total 50 children are there. Okay. Now see the next one, B part. A fisherman caught 52 fish in the morning and 38 fish in the evening. How many fish did he catch in all? So it is asking me about the total number of fish. Okay, he catched. So in the morning time this much fish he caught, and in evening time this much fish he caught. Right? So total number of fish will be what? Let's find it. So in morning time 52 fish he caught, and in evening time 38 fish he caught. So total how many fish? Let's find it. So 2 plus 8, it will be how much? 10. So we'll write 0 here and we'll give 1 to the tens place. Okay, now 1 plus 5, it will be how much? 6. 6 plus 3, it will be 9. So total number of fishes, or I can say fish, he caught is 90. Okay. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood about the regrouping. Okay, how we can regroup the numbers while adding. So this question number 2 also you have to do in your copy. Okay, and how you have to write these answer, I will give it to you. Okay.